lot more of action and fun to add to
and मैं अभी रेस में वापस आ गया. To continue with the show, let's invite the presidents of this century. They are the known Jodis online as well as offline. He looks very sincere, talks very disciplined. టక్కేస్తే ఫుల్ క్లాసు, టక్కు తీస్తే ఫుల్ మాస్ అన్నది చాలా కొంతమందికి తెలుసు, అది నాకు కూడా తెలియదు. He has run institutes and he keeps running them with passion and focus. Let's invite, ladies and gentlemen, onto the stage the president of 2005 JCTV, Reddy. Welcome onto the stage, sir. So that's your mic. Sir, one actual question which I wanted to ask you from many years. Was it easy for you to become a president?
Yeah, naturally.
Naturally, wonderful, sir. So we know only one situation in 2004, I believe, where TV Reddy turned furious. Do you want to talk about that and how do you feel after that?
It happens, but I really don't think I need to talk about that now. But sometimes it happens. I rarely get furious.
Yeah, so it was a decade ago, so we can understand it happens once in a decade, and beware 2014. So you were always known as a Jodi, and we want to call you the other half of your offline. I think you are already laughing, so you know who your partner is. The very tall and handsome gentleman, and you know, a wonderful contributor to the chapter over the years. May we welcome the president of 2006, JC Srinivas Raju. He's already half up. Thank you so much, sir. Can I have another mic? So welcome to the show, sir. Sir, Raju sir, when did you first think of becoming a president? Was it after TV Reddy sir became a president?
Yeah, that's true. 2005, I thought I can become a president. I wanted to become.
Oh, you thought you can become a president?
Yeah, I thought I can become a president.
Wonderful. So tell me few things which you wanted to do but people did not allow you to do.
There were none in my year.
Wonderful. Whoa. Days, yeah, they are so different. Not like nowadays. Very good, sir. So was it important for you, TV Reddy sir, to become president, pushing long waiting candidate?
Yeah, I thought I'll become. I never actually planned to become a president, but in the interest of the chapter, I thought I should become a president, and I requested him, and then I became president.
Oh, you know him?
I persuaded him.
Only persuaded?
Yeah, only persuaded.
Okay, we'll take that for the moment because we are on the stage. Srinivas Raju garu, you are one of those rare past president we know who cares about the chapter in each and every day. What response do you get from the members when you keep knocking at them?
No, each year new presidents come up, and I try to help them out whenever they call me for any help, because it is finally the chapter has given me so much things for me when I was a president, so I want to return to the chapter the same things.
Thank you, sir. And TV Reddy sir, being a critic as a past president was never easy job. And how do you feel when people talk behind you that you object for each and everything what you say? And what message do you want to give to them?
To keep quiet, it's always easy, but I think you're going to spoil your own organization. That's why we keep talking. That's the only reason why we keep coming.
And any message to the members here?
Nothing. Keep talking, that's all.
Sir, your president secretary Jodi is most talked about in the chapter. Looks like your bonding is still the same. Do you feel there is a better Jodi in the chapter?
I don't think so.
Wonderful. So we are missing Karthik sir today. And Constitution is made for the benefit of the members. And if there is a benefit of the members otherwise, do you think we should go ahead and implement, rather search for a clause in the Constitution?
See, first the members are important for the chapter. So if something has to be changed in the chapter for the members, we should be doing it.
Very good, sir. We'll take that. TV Reddy, sir, you are known as one of its kind jodis in the JCs, you and Raju, sir, outside as well. Did your wives ever complain about this?
No, it never happened because even our wives are good friends. So when we travel together, we always go, whether it is international or national tour, or even sometimes JCs. Unfortunately, today because of the exams, one of our partner is not here. But otherwise, they would definitely love to
So
be
I think
together.
there is a hidden message for the youngsters. Make both the wives for friends so that it's very easy for you. Wonderful. So I think we are now coming to the rapid fire round, and as you know, you will win a wonderful hamper from me. Whoever answers very well, very quick, and with fire and venom. So I will start the rapid fire with Raju sir first. Sir, whose company do you enjoy the most? TV ya BV?
TV.
TV's company. Member, president or past president?
Past president.
Where do you think you performed well? Secretary or president?
President.
One pretty woman you wanted to make member in your term?
I think Aishwarya Rai.
Unfortunately, she's in Mumbai. If at all you want to have an affair, who would that be? Jayalalitha, Mayawati, Mamta Banerjee.
None.
All the three. You can take all the three.
He can take all the three.
They're all miss.
So given a chance, what would you want to play? Guitar, flute or saxophone?
Guitar.
Guitar. Wonderful, sir. So yes, I think you answered. You did not answer one. You should have picked one option among the three. Unfortunately, you didn't want to.
No, I did not want to pick up one of them.
So coming back to you, sir. Your rapid fire starts now. Of these two, whose too much dose will affect your health? Raju ya Kaju?
Kaju.
One word description on this gentleman. Shravan Madam.
One word. Technical savvy.
Nitin Dundigalla.
Young and energetic.
Kaushik Katturi.
Too good, too fast. Fast and furious. I'll change that.
Anand Patwari.
Caretaker.
Ramesh Patel.
Masti, filmy.
If at all you want to have an affair, who would that be? Aishwarya Rai, Shilpa Shetty, Kareena Kapoor.
Kareena Kapoor.
I think Saroja Madam is here.
She's there.
किसको बजाना आपको ज़्यादा पसंद है? Students, drums और head table in the chapter?
Students.
ఆకుచాటు పింద తడిసే మీరు పాట చేయాల్సి వస్తే who would you like to be the partner? Mallika Sherawat, Sunny Leon, Sharon Stone.
Sunny Leon.
To which of the youngsters here you would love to be a secretary if they are president? JC Anand Patwari, JC Ramesh Edla, JC Rishabh Tandon.
This is Rishabh.
Wonderful. I think TV Reddy sir needs a round of applause. He answered all the 6 questions, and I think you are the winner of this hamper. Thank you so much to both the presidents here and joining for us. Wonderful, sir. I will join you as well. Thank you so much. So I think, yes, Nitin. Oh, sir. I think.